What is a white paper? A white paper is a comprehensive and authoritative document that presents information, analysis, and proposals on a specific topic. Today, companies of all shapes and sizes use white papers to deliver facts about a problem and how they provide a solution. They are full of research and statistics to support any claims and to show audiences why a product or service works. So how does additive manufacturing or 3D printing compare to traditional fabrication methods and OandP? Although a number of trials have been conducted in fabricating prostheses and ortheses using additive manufacturing, there is currently a research gap in completed studies that test lower limb prosthetic sockets. Together, our company sought to prove that additive manufacturing has the potential to revolutionize the OandP fabrication process by improving personal customization capabilities, reducing manufacturing time and waste, and resulting in better overall outcomes. Interested? Come to our shared presentation at AOPA to learn more.